DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this absolutely lovely and stunning Mercedes GLA diesel. It's the AMG line, finished in silver. It's got the diamond cut alloy wheels in absolutely superb condition. It really has been well looked after, very low mileage. It's got the deeper AMG rear diffuser with the twin exhausts. It's the AMG body styling all the way around it. Rear privacy glass. Absolutely lovely. An electric rear tailgate. It's the 4MATIC as well. This gives you 4-wheel drive. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. It's got the lovely individual AMG line half Alcantara leather seats with red stitched piping. Got electric windows, electric mirrors. There's nowhere on the bolsters. Just start the car up. See, it's only done 202 miles. We've got satellite navigation, air conditioning, climate control, reverse camera, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, media pack, Bluetooth connectivity, auto headlights, auto wash wipes. At DJH, the full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.